It's Monday morning. I'm on my way to work, and I want something warm and tasty. I stop at my favorite coffee shop.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a large latte with oat milk, please?
Sure. A large oat milk latte. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And do you have anything to eat?
Yes, we do. We have muffins, croissants, sandwiches, and a few gluten-free options.
Hmm, what's in the blueberry muffin?
It has blueberries, butter, eggs, and a little lemon zest. It's one of our best sellers.
Sounds great. I'll take one blueberry muffin, please.
Perfect. Anything else for you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Your total is $7.80. Cash or card?
Card, please. Do you take Apple Pay?
Yes, we do. Just tap here.
Here we are.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thanks. And keep the change.
That's very kind. Have a great morning.
You too.
All right, my friends. Now let's take a quick look at a few super useful phrases we heard in this conversation. Can I get? This is one of the most polite and common ways to order something. You can use it for anything you want to buy. For example, can I get a large latte? Do you have anything to eat? Use this when you're hungry but not sure what food options they offer. It's very useful when you don't see a menu and a simple way to ask, "What food do you have available?" What's in? Use this when you want to know the ingredients. It's perfect if you want to avoid something or just curiosity. For example, what's in the breakfast sandwich? It means, tell me the ingredients, please. Keep the change. A friendly way to give a small tip when you pay cash. It means you can keep the extra money. It's small, polite, and makes someone's day a little brighter.